Well, here's a stunning car, and a little bit on the rare side as well. Not many of these built in the Quasar Blue. We'll get to that in just a minute, but this is a 1993 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Just a stunning car, just over 44,000 miles on this vehicle. As we said, Quasar Blue Metallic on the exterior, light beige interior. The contrast of those two colors looks great, and it has a beautiful black convertible top. Under the hood, 300 horsepower LT1 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. It's going to be fun to drive. Factory features include AM, FM, cassette stereo, dual power sport seats, has the FX3 electronic selective ride and handling package, fog lamps, power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, power antenna, tilt, cruise control, ABS, traction control, and air conditioning, of course. It comes with a clean Carfax, and as we said, shows just 44,561 miles. This rare 1993 Corvette Convertible is in good condition, and it was just one of 683 Corvettes built in the Quasar Blue Metallic for the 93 model year. The car's paint is in good condition, has a great shine. The convertible top is in very good condition, and window sweeps are in very good to excellent condition. Factory wheels are in place, and the interior of this car, as you can see, shows very good factory leather seats, very good door panels, good condition shift panel. Now, additions to this car include the black sill plate covers with the white Corvette script and an ashtray plaque as well. So give us a call today here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia at 770-414-5552 and talk to one of our experienced sales representatives about this car or one of the largest selections of Corvettes you'll find anywhere in the country. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification button when you do, and you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. So remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to see you real soon. Stop in at our expansive showroom. But remember, we make buying online something you can do with ease and, more importantly, with confidence. And we ship nationwide every week, much less expensive than you might imagine. Give us a call. This car could be in your driveway very soon. Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.